this. This Disney Pictures cars. Disney Pictures cars. Yeah. Let's go. Wow, Lightning McQueen. No. Wow, tomato.
Correction acknowledged. Deploying chute.
Wow. Oh, Jackson Storm. Let's go.
Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm, right?
Oh, Cruz Ramirez. Yeah.
I do!
Wow, Monster Mater.
I like you already. My name's Mater.
Mater?
Yeah, like tomato.
Miss Fruiter. Wow.
Of the Lower Bell County Unified School District!
Oh, Frank. No.
He's gonna get you!
Wow, Monster Grace. Wow.
Mine are named Maria, Juanita, Ronaldo, and Debbie Richardson.
What?
Long story.
May I have my tires back so I can go on the simulator, please?
Name them.
Look at this. This is red.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. Stare it right there.
Monster Lightning McQueen. Look at this. This is Monster Jackson Storm.
Still very much alive, thank you. And I would
I
appreciate...
can't believe I get to race the Lightning McQueen in his farewell season.
What are you talking...
It is Super Mater.
No!
Look at this. Mack. Hello, friends. Wow, look at this. Francesco.
Here they come, the two leaders. They're bumper to bumper as they approach the finish line.
Yeah, let's go. Wow, tomato.
Request.
Yeah. This is Sheriff. Cool.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something. Serpentine! Serpentine!
Wow.
That. Still, you know, if there's ever anything I can do for you, just let me know.
I sure appreciate that. Thank you.
Who's next? Wow. Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Let's go.
This. Yeah, that's it, kid. What?
Wow. Cars. Cool. Who's next? Sally. Yeah. Mr. King. Wow.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
It is cakes. Wow.
Come on, baby, bring it out. Bring out the piston cup. Ka-chika, ka-chika. Yeah!
Who is next? Wow, this super Lightning McQueen.
Ready? All right, Dan. Get it in.
Yeah. Doc Hudson.
Start your engines!
Fillmore. Wow. Let's go.
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
Wow, wow, wow. Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Cool.
My last offer. You buy one tire, I give you 7 snow tires for free. Done? You're interested, you call me, you know.
Look at these supercars. Wow.
Wait, you're not Bobby.
Name's Danny, bro.
Wow. Tractor.
Do the shoot. The second time, not the first.
Deploying chute.
Hello, friends. Look at these Disney Pictures cars. Wow. Mack. Let's go. Yeah. Who's next? Chris. Yeah. Wow, wow, wow. This is Frank.
No!
Super. Wow. Monster truck lining McQueen.
Sometimes I have a big mouth when I see something that I don't like. I gotta say it.
Cool. Look at this. Red? Oh no! Wow! Super tomato!
Double dipstick sundae, please?
Huh? Oh, sure. That's a very popular flavor. Huh? Whoa!
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Wow. Monster truck. Yeah. Go.
Hey, Bobby? Do you know what's happening with Brick? Oh. You're not Bobby.
Ooh, Miss Fruiter. Wow, Monster Jackson Star. Let's go.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm, right?
Hello, friends. Let's find Disney Pictures cards. Boom, boom, boom. Look at this. This is Francesco. Yeah.
Francesco!
Bellissima! Thank you for your support and your big mistake, McQueen.
Cool. Look at this. This is Sally. Yeah. Oh, this is tomato. Wow.
Is Lightning McQueen your prisoner?
Shoot, no, we're best buds. I ain't bragging or nothing, but I'd in charge of hunting him down if he tried to.
Let's go. Look at these guys. Yeah.
That. Still, if there's ever anything I can do for you, just let me know.
I sure appreciate that. Thank you.
Cool. Who's next? Wow, this is Doc Hudson.
Is he making another run for it?
No. He ran out of asphalt in the middle of the night and asked me if he could come down here. All these...
Wow. Let's go. Wow, super lining McQueen.
Ready? All right, Dan. Get it out.
Cool. Look at this. This is sheriff. Yeah.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something.
Serpentine! Serpentine!
Wow, 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 wow. Check it. Okay, let's go. Wow, look at this. This Mr. King. Yeah.
Racer. Oh, hey, Mr. the King. You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars has got in their whole body.
Really?
Wow. Look at this. Fillmore.
Conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a bunch of lies, man.
Cool. Wow. Mini cars.
White wall tires. They say, look at me. Here I am. Love me.
Super. Wow, it is Lightning McQueen.
Cause I
Yeah.
have a big mouth when I see something that I don't like. I gotta say it.
Hello, friends. Wow, look at this. Let's go. Дай на-ка. No.
Mine are named Maria, Juanita, Ronaldo, and Debbie Richardson.
What?
Long story.
May I have my tires back so I can go on the simulator?
Yeah. Tomato.
I like you already. My name's Mater.
Mater?
Yeah, like tomato.
Who is next? Oh yeah, Fran. Look at this. It is red. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. Sure, right there.
Yeah, dog.
Doc? Guys, you're here! I can't believe this!
I knew you needed a crew.
Wow, Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Let's go.
Sometimes I have a big mouth when I see something that I don't like. I gotta say it.
Miss Fruiter. Yeah.
of the Lower Bell Bell County Unified School District.
She kicks. Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, hey, McQueen. That must be really embarrassing, but I wouldn't worry about it because I didn't do it.
Wow, Fillmore.
Need is a sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
It is Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Wow.
Crash behind the leaders.